Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
WordPress is easy for beginners, yet powerful for developers. As discussed earlier, WordPress is a very easy platform to get started with. It's very easy to set up and run. Most web hosts come with what are called one-click auto-installers.
Take our lead.
WordPress developers will make your project too complicated, take too long, and cost too much money. Once you get your website up in WordPress, get ready for a world of hurt. WordPress sites often break down every 3 months or so. They need to be constantly fixed and updated as online technology changes.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Learning WordPress is easy as long as you are willing to commit a few hours each day for a week. You would need some very basic search skills, i.e. know how to use search engines like Google, and the ability to follow instructions. No, you don't need to know HTML or other programming languages to code a website.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
The disadvantages of WordPress. You need lots of plugins for additional features. Frequent theme and plugin updates. Slow page speed. Poor SEO ranking. Website vulnerability. Website can go down without notice. In closing,
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
if you're building your site and want to start over from scratch, you have 2 options. Reinstall WordPress. Use your host's one-click installation feature. Use a plugin like WP Reset to erase all content, settings, themes and plugins.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Are you looking to learn WordPress and build a website? Ease of use is one of the best things about WordPress, which makes it the world's most popular website builder. Learning WordPress does not require a lot of time or money. You can do it on your own, at your own pace, and then build upon it as you go.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
The main cost associated with WordPress is hosting, which starts at around $3.95 per month. Other common costs include domains, themes, and plugins. Realistically, WordPress pricing falls between $11 and $40 per month, after a one-off cost of $200.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.